Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today we're going to create a quite a simple present for some tea bags or a gift card or a chocolate or a tag. Just something simple to make your present a bit nicer. And you can decorate it with a sticker or with some buttons or something else. And let's start. It's very easy, and you need to have a folding board for envelopes, and we use the back side, and you need to have paper from 15 by 15 centimeters or 5.9 inch, so a square. And you can have the paper covered on both sides, but also, of course, a blank paper on one side is possible as well. The first thing we do is folding or set a scarf in the middle. So both lines need to be on the folding line and exactly through the middle. Then we have a turn, and then we make it by 3.5 inch. We make a folding 3.5 inches, 8.9 centimeters, and at the other side as well by 3.5 inch or 8.9 centimeters, dus 8 centimeters and 9 millimeters. And that's it. That's most of the work. Then we fold it like this, and then it's already done. And we fold it together, and of course you can ink the whole project. That's also very nice. You can make a nice hole in it. You can ink it. You can make a nice hole in it for just only some rope. But I'm putting an eyelet in it, and I think the most difficult part is to have that hole exactly in the middle, because I can very well do it not on the middle. And I have a very small eyelet, and now I remember that I always think which side is better to do. But now I remember that I wanted a button on front, so I'm going to make another hole in it as well for this button. But you can make a nice decoration by yourself, whatever you like. And it's very nice to have when you are giving some wine or some or a gift card or something like that, and just a small extra attention to it. And if you want to, you can glue it together, but I found out that it must be very strong glue. So an eyelet or just a hole and then the rope through it, that's better. And now I'm going to make the neighbors to wake up, because this sounds, of course, always a little bit loud. And then it's done. And what rests us is some nice decoration. I found some lace, which I want to go through, and that doesn't work. Oh, my nails are too short, so I'm using a sharp point. And that works better. Now always is the question, shall I put it like this, or shall I try to get a little nice, oh, I don't know how it's called, But I'm going to try, and then you can explain me how this is called. A nice, well, like this. Well, and that's it. So you can make this just within 5 minutes, and it's done. Really easy, really cute. A nice little tag. And you can write, of course, your nice message. And that's it. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel or give a like. That will help my channel grow. And I hope to see you next time. Okay, bye bye.